Welcome to another intriguing journey into the mysteries of ancient technology. Throughout history, humankind has crafted marvels that defy our understanding, leaving scientists and historians astounded and eager for answers. In this video, we delve into some of the oldest technologies that baffle experts, sparking curiosity and speculation across generations. Imagine an ancient device, intricately geared and crafted with precision beyond its time. Known as the Antikythera Mechanism, this artifact, discovered off the coast of Greece in 1901, is considered one of the greatest archaeological finds of the century. Used to predict astronomical events such as eclipses with astonishing accuracy, its complex mechanisms challenge our assumptions about ancient knowledge and technological prowess. Then there's Stonehenge, standing stoically in the English countryside. This enigmatic monument, constructed over 4,000 years ago, continues to puzzle researchers with its precise alignment to celestial events. Was it an ancient calendar, a spiritual site, or perhaps both? The mysteries of its purpose and construction endure, fueling ongoing debates and investigations. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of these ancient technologies and delve into the questions that continue to perplex the minds of scientists and historians alike. Prepare to be fascinated, intrigued, and inspired by the enigmatic achievements of our ancestors in oldest technologies scientists still can't explain. Let's delve into some of the oldest technologies and phenomena that continue to intrigue scientists and researchers due to their complexity, ingenuity, or mysterious origins. Antikythera Mechanism. The enigma of the Antikythera Mechanism is an artifact that continues to baffle scientists and historians alike with its intricate complexity and advanced design. Discovered over a century ago in a shipwreck off the coast of the Greek island of Antikythera, this extraordinary artifact dates back to approximately 100 BC. What makes the Antikythera Mechanism so remarkable is its function. It's not just any ancient artifact, but a sophisticated astronomical calculator. The Antikythera Mechanism resembles a complex clockwork device, consisting of numerous gears and dials housed within a wooden case the size of a shoebox. Early studies revealed that it was designed to track celestial movements, predict eclipses, and even model the cycles of the moon and planets. This level of mechanical sophistication was previously unheard of in the ancient world. Despite decades of study and advanced imaging techniques like X-ray and CT scanning, many aspects of the Antikythera Mechanism remain elusive. Scientists are still puzzled by its exact origin, who built it, and for what purpose. How did ancient craftsmen possess the knowledge and skills to create such a precise and intricate device? Attempts to decode the inscriptions and symbols on the mechanism's surface have provided clues but no definitive answers. The ancient Greek inscriptions refer to astronomical events and may have served as a user manual or guide to its operation. However, understanding these inscriptions fully has proven challenging due to their age and complexity. The existence of the Antikythera Mechanism challenges our assumptions about ancient technological capabilities. It suggests a level of scientific and engineering knowledge that was previously underestimated. How did ancient Greeks, over 2,000 years ago, achieve such a feat of engineering without the aid of modern tools or computing devices? As technology advances, so too does our ability to study and understand the Antikythera Mechanism. Ongoing research and collaboration among archaeologists, historians, and scientists offer hope that one day we may unlock the remaining secrets of this ancient marvel. Stonehenge. Stonehenge, nestled in the English countryside, has fascinated humanity for centuries with its enigmatic purpose and remarkable construction. Despite decades of research and scientific inquiry, many aspects of Stonehenge continue to defy explanation, leaving us with more questions than answers. Built over 4,000 years ago, Stonehenge consists of massive standing stones arranged in a circular formation, some weighing up to 25 tons. Its precise alignment with the movements of the sun and moon suggests an astronomical function, possibly serving as an ancient calendar or a ceremonial site for rituals linked to celestial events. However, the exact rituals or ceremonies conducted here remain speculative, as no written records from its time explain its purpose. The sheer size and weight of the stones used in Stonehenge raise significant engineering questions. How did ancient peoples, lacking advanced tools and machinery, transport these massive stones over long distances and erect them with such precision? Theories range from land-based transportation to alternative ideas involving water transport. Additionally, the construction over time spanned hundreds of years and involved successive generations, suggesting a sustained and determined effort in building the monument. Stonehenge's significance extends beyond its astronomical alignments and engineering marvels. It stands as a testament to the cultural and spiritual beliefs of its creators, who left no written records to explain their motivations. The monument continues to be a place of pilgrimage and wonder, drawing visitors from around the world who seek to connect with its ancient mysteries. Baghdad Battery. The Baghdad Battery, discovered in Iraq, challenges our understanding of early technology and electricity. Let's uncover why scientists remain mystified by its existence. The Baghdad Battery consists of ceramic jars, copper cylinders, and an acidic substance, dating back to around 250 BC to AD 250. These components, when assembled, resemble a primitive battery capable of generating an electric charge. Each jar could potentially have been filled with an electrolyte solution such as vinegar or wine, with a copper cylinder acting as an anode and an iron rod as a cathode. Scientists debate the purpose of the Baghdad Battery. While it could generate a small electric current, its exact use remains unclear. Some speculate it might have been used for electroplating gold onto silver objects, a technique known in ancient times. However, no conclusive evidence supports this theory, leaving the true purpose of the battery a tantalizing mystery. The Baghdad Battery challenges the conventional timeline of electrical discovery, suggesting that ancient Mesopotamians might have known about electricity long before modern scholars believed it possible. This hypothesis raises questions about the extent of ancient technological sophistication and the transmission of knowledge across civilizations. Despite various experiments demonstrating its potential functionality as a battery, skeptics argue that the Baghdad Battery might have served a different purpose entirely, such as storing sacred scrolls or acting as a container for religious relics. Voynich Manuscript. The Voynich Manuscript, a mysterious codex, has baffled scholars and cryptographers for centuries. Written in an unknown script and adorned with intricate illustrations of plants, celestial bodies, and human-like figures, this manuscript presents a puzzle that remains unsolved to this day. Discovered in the early 20th century by antiquarian Wilfrid Voynich, the manuscript dates back to the 15th century and consists of 240 vellum pages. What makes it truly perplexing is its unique script comprising about 25 to 30 distinct characters that has resisted all attempts at decipherment. The text flows smoothly, as if written in a natural language, yet no similarities to any known languages or codes have been identified. The Voynich manuscript is not merely a linguistic puzzle but also a richly illustrated work. Its pages are filled with drawings of unidentified plants, astronomical diagrams, and intricate bathing scenes with mysterious, nymph-like figures. These illustrations hint at structured and possibly meaningful content, yet their purpose and intended audience remain elusive. Over the centuries, numerous scholars, cryptographers, and linguists have attempted to decode the manuscript. Methods ranging from statistical analysis to artificial intelligence have been employed, yet none have successfully cracked its code. The manuscript's complexity and the lack of a known language base pose significant hurdles, leaving researchers with more questions than answers. As of today, the Voynich manuscript continues to defy classification and interpretation. Some hypotheses suggest it could be a hoax, a lost language, a medieval cipher, or even a work of intricate gibberish. Each attempt to unlock its secrets adds layers to its mystery, ensuring its place as one of history's most enduring enigmas. Pumapunku. Pumapunku, a site nestled within the ancient Tiwanaku complex in Bolivia, is renowned for its perplexing mysteries that continue to challenge our understanding of ancient. Dating back over a millennium, Pumapunku stands as a testament to the architectural and technological prowess of its creators, the Tiwanaku civilization. Yet, despite centuries of study, many aspects of Pumapunku remain shrouded in enigma. At the heart of the mystery lies the precision and complexity of Pumapunku's stone construction. The site is famous for its massive stone blocks, some weighing up to 130 tons, that were transported from quarries located several kilometers away. What baffles scientists is not just the sheer size of these stones, but also their precise cuts and intricate interlocking joints. These stones fit together so perfectly that not even a razor blade can slide between them, challenging our understanding of how ancient civilizations could achieve such engineering feats without modern tools. One of the most perplexing questions surrounding Pumapunku is how did the Tiwanaku people quarry, transport, and shape these immense stones with such precision? The lack of written records from the Tiwanaku civilization further complicates efforts to understand their techniques and purposes. Archaeologists and engineers have proposed various theories, from advanced stone-cutting methods using harder stones or unknown binding agents, to the possibility of lost ancient technologies or even extraterrestrial influence. Modern scientific methods, including laser scanning and 3D modeling, have provided new insights into the construction techniques used at Pumapunku. These studies reveal the meticulous planning and execution required to create such architectural marvels. Yet, they also deepen the mystery, as they highlight the apparent technological gap between the Tiwanaku civilization and other contemporary cultures. Easter Island statues Moai. In the remote expanse of the Pacific Ocean lies Easter Island, renowned for its enigmatic stone guardians known as Moai. Carved by the Rapa Nui people between 1100 and 1500 AD, these colossal statues stand as tall as 33 feet and weigh up to 80 tons each, yet their creation and purpose remain steeped in mystery, perplexing scientists and historians alike. The most confounding aspect of the Moai is their sheer size, and the question of how a society with limited resources and technological tools could carve, transport, and erect these massive statues. The quarries where the Moai were carved are located in Rano Raraku, where unfinished statues still lie half-carved into the volcanic rock, providing clues but also deepening the mystery. The process of transporting these statues across the island to their final resting places, often miles away along rugged terrain, challenges conventional theories of ancient engineering. The purpose behind the Moai remains elusive. Initially thought to represent deceased ancestors, recent research suggests they might also have served as symbols of authority and power for various clans or lineages. Their oversized heads, with distinct facial features and elongated ears, add to their mystique, prompting ongoing debates about their cultural and spiritual significance. The decline of the Rapa Nui civilization, often attributed to environmental degradation and societal collapse, further complicates the understanding of the Moai's role within their society. The intricacies of their creation, the cultural meanings behind their erection, and the implications of their demise continue to inspire scientific inquiry and cultural fascination. Göbekli Tepe. Göbekli Tepe is an ancient marvel that challenges everything we thought we knew about early human civilization. Located in southeastern Turkey, Göbekli Tepe is a site of profound archaeological significance, dating back over 11,000 years, making it older than Stonehenge and the Egyptian pyramids. What sets Göbekli Tepe apart is not just its age, but the sheer sophistication of its construction and the questions it raises about the origins of human society. Discovered in 1994 by German archaeologist Klaus Schmidt, Göbekli Tepe consists of multiple monumental stone circles and T-shaped pillars, intricately carved with detailed reliefs of animals and abstract symbols. These structures, built during a time when humanity was believed to be hunter-gatherers, challenged the conventional timeline of human development. The sheer scale and complexity of Göbekli Tepe's architecture suggest a level of organization and communal effort previously thought to emerge much later with settled agricultural societies. Scientists are baffled by several aspects of Göbekli Tepe. Firstly, its purpose remains unclear. Was it a ceremonial center, a place of pilgrimage, or perhaps an early form of religious worship? The absence of domestic structures nearby suggests that Göbekli Tepe was not a residential settlement, deepening the mystery of why such monumental efforts were undertaken at this location. Furthermore, the construction techniques used at Göbekli Tepe, including the quarrying, transportation, and precise alignment of massive stone blocks, defy expectations of what was technologically feasible for its time. The knowledge and skills required to build Göbekli Tepe challenge our understanding of early human capabilities in social organization. Lycurgus Cup. The Lycurgus Cup, an ancient Roman marvel housed in the British Museum, continues to baffle scientists and historians alike with its mysterious properties and stunning craftsmanship. The Lycurgus Cup is a glass chalice dating back to the 4th century AD, crafted during the Roman Empire. What makes this cup extraordinary is its unique optical properties. When illuminated from behind with light, the cup appears green. However, when lit from the front, it transforms into a vibrant red or translucent amber color. This color-changing effect, known as dichroism, is caused by the incorporation of tiny particles of gold and silver into the glass during its creation. Despite centuries of study and modern technological advancements, scientists still grapple with several aspects of the Lycurgus Cup. One of the primary mysteries is how ancient Roman artisans achieved such precise control over the dispersion of nanoparticles within the glass matrix. This mastery of nanotechnology predates modern techniques by millennia, highlighting the advanced craftsmanship of the time. The specific composition and manufacturing techniques used to create the Lycurgus Cup remain elusive. While we understand the basic principles of dichroism involving nanoparticles, replicating the exact process used by ancient Roman glassmakers has proven challenging. The secrets of their techniques, including how they controlled the size and distribution of the nanoparticles, continue to elude researchers. Beyond its scientific intrigue, the Lycurgus Cup also holds cultural and historical significance. It is named after Lycurgus, a mythical king of Thrace, known for his violent opposition to Dionysian rites. The cup's decoration depicts scenes from this legend, adding a layer of mythological storytelling to its already mesmerizing visual effects. Tulu. The most intriguing architectural wonder of ancient China, Tulu. These massive circular earthen buildings, found predominantly in Fujian province, have baffled scientists and historians alike with their unique design and engineering prowess. Welcome to our exploration of one of the most intriguing architectural wonders of ancient China, Tulu. These massive circular earthen buildings, found predominantly in Fujian province, have baffled scientists and historians alike with their unique design and engineering prowess. Join us as we delve into the mysteries of Tulu and why scientists still struggle to fully explain their construction and purpose. Tulu, meaning earthen buildings, are large, round communal structures built by the Hakka people, primarily between the 12th and 20th centuries. Constructed entirely from local materials, earth, stone, bamboo, and wood, Tulu are renowned for their remarkable durability and unique architectural features. What makes Tulu particularly perplexing is its intricate design and construction techniques. These buildings can reach up to 5 stories high and house hundreds of people in a single structure. The outer walls are typically thick, fortified with compacted earth to withstand earthquakes and even gunfire, showcasing an advanced understanding of structural integrity. One of the most puzzling aspects of Tulu is its earthquake-resistant design. Despite being made primarily of earth and not having modern construction techniques, these structures have withstood numerous earthquakes throughout their centuries-long history. Scientists are still trying to unravel the specific architectural principles and materials used that contribute to their resilience. Another mystery surrounding Tulu is their precise circular layout and strategic positioning within their landscapes. The buildings are often arranged in clusters, forming small fortified villages that serve both defensive and communal purposes. The layout suggests careful planning and community cohesion, yet the exact social and cultural reasons for their circular form and communal living remain speculative. The engineering feats of Tulu extend to their ventilation and water management systems. These buildings are designed with intricate networks of vents and wells that provide natural ventilation and access to clean water, essential for sustaining large communities over extended periods. Despite extensive research and admiration for their architectural ingenuity, many questions about Tulu remain unanswered. How did the Hakka people develop such sophisticated building techniques without modern tools and engineering knowledge? What cultural, social, and environmental factors influenced their design and construction? One thing is clear: these ancient earthen buildings continue to captivate and mystify scientists with their advanced architectural principles and enduring resilience. The quest to uncover the secrets of Tulu reminds us of the ingenuity of past civilizations and challenges us to rethink our understanding of ancient technology and communal living. Damascus steel. Damascus steel is a legendary material from the annals of history that continues to defy modern understanding. Damascus steel, also known as wood steel, has captivated historians and metallurgists for centuries with its exceptional strength, sharpness, and beautiful swirling patterns. Originating from the Middle East and South Asia, particularly in what is now modern-day Iran, India, and Pakistan, this steel was highly prized for its superior qualities in sword making during the medieval period. What makes Damascus steel so intriguing are the unique properties that set it apart from conventional steel. It was renowned for its toughness, flexibility, and ability to hold a sharp edge, making it ideal for forging swords and other weaponry. Moreover, its distinctive wavy patterns, reminiscent of flowing water or wood grain, added to its allure and aesthetic appeal. Despite its historical prominence, the original techniques used to forge Damascus steel were lost to time. The traditional method involved a complex process of smelting iron ores with carbon-rich materials in a specific environment, likely involving high temperatures and controlled cooling rates. This process resulted in the formation of carbide nanowires and carbon nanotubes within the steel matrix, contributing to its exceptional properties. Modern scientists and metallurgists have attempted to replicate Damascus steel using various experimental methods and analyses. However, fully understanding and replicating the exact composition and microstructure of authentic Damascus steel has proven elusive. Researchers have hypothesized that impurities in the raw materials, specific forging techniques, and possibly even the inadvertent inclusion of trace elements during the smelting process played crucial roles in its formation. Recent studies using advanced microscopy and chemical analysis have provided new insights into the structure of Damascus steel. Researchers have identified the presence of nanotubes and nanowires of carbon and iron carbide, distributed in a matrix of iron and cementite. These nanoscale structures are believed to contribute to the steel's exceptional mechanical properties, including its strength and sharpness. As we unravel the mysteries of Damascus steel, its legacy as a pinnacle of ancient metallurgical achievement remains intact. The quest to fully understand and reproduce its exceptional qualities continues to inspire scientists and craftsmen alike. Baalbek megaliths. The Baalbek megaliths. Nestled in the Lebanese mountains, these colossal stones defy explanation, challenging our understanding of ancient engineering capabilities. Located in modern-day Lebanon, Baalbek is home to one of the most impressive archaeological sites in the world. At its heart lies the Temple of Jupiter, where the true marvels of Baalbek are found, the massive stone blocks known as the Baalbek megaliths. The largest of these stones, known as the Stone of the Pregnant Woman, weighs an estimated 1,000 tons. To put this into perspective, that's roughly equivalent to the weight of 156 African elephants. Transporting such colossal stones, let alone lifting and positioning them, presents a monumental challenge even with today's technology. Yet these feats were supposedly achieved over 2,000 years ago during the Roman Empire. The mystery deepens when we consider the quarry from which these stones were cut. Located about a mile from the temple site, the quarry contains even larger stones, some estimated to weigh up to 1,500 tons. The question arises, how were these massive stones quarried, transported, and lifted into place with such precision using ancient tools and methods? Adding to the intrigue, the foundations of the Temple of Jupiter at Baalbek are even older than the Roman period, dating back to Phoenician and even earlier civilizations. This raises the possibility that the site's builders inherited and expanded upon an even more ancient tradition of megalithic construction. Archaeologists and historians have proposed various theories to explain the Baalbek megaliths. Some suggest that the stones were transported using ingenious methods involving ramps, sleds, and perhaps even primitive forms of pulleys and cranes. Others speculate about lost ancient technologies or the involvement of supernatural forces. Despite decades of study and excavation, the true methods and motivations behind the construction of Baalbek remain elusive. The precision with which the stones were cut and fitted together, the sheer scale of the structures, and the logistical challenges involved continue to baffle scientists and challenge our understanding of ancient civilizations. Phaistos Disc. The Phaistos Disc is a unique artifact that has baffled scientists and historians for over a century. Discovered in the early 1900s in the ruins of the Minoan Palace of Phaistos on the island of Crete, this disc of fired clay holds within its circular form a puzzle that has resisted all attempts at decipherment. The Phaistos disc measures about 15 centimeters in diameter and is inscribed on both sides with a series of mysterious symbols arranged in a spiral pattern. These symbols, punched into the clay using stamps, depict a range of pictographic elements, including human figures, plants, animals, and other abstract shapes. What makes this artifact truly perplexing is not just its intricate design, but the language or code it represents, a script that has yet to be matched with any known ancient writing system. From the moment of its discovery, scholars have attempted to unlock the secrets of the Phaistos disc. Is it a religious text, a calendar, a hymn, or something else entirely? The absence of a bilingual inscription, which often aids in deciphering ancient scripts, compounds the challenge. Researchers have employed various analytical methods, from statistical analysis of symbol frequencies to comparisons with other Minoan scripts, yet consensus remains elusive. Numerous theories abound regarding the origin and purpose of the Phaistos disc. Some speculate it could be a unique form of writing specific to the Minoan civilization, while others suggest it might be a hoax or a ceremonial object with symbolic rather than linguistic significance. The context of its discovery within the palace complex of Phaistos adds layers to its mystery. Was it a diplomatic gift, a religious artifact, or an administrative tool? The Phaistos disc holds immense significance in understanding the ancient Minoan culture. It provides a rare glimpse into the artistic and intellectual achievements of a civilization that flourished over 3,000 years ago. Its intricate symbols and craftsmanship continue to captivate scholars and enthusiasts alike, inspiring ongoing research and debate. Bamboo flying toys. Ancient Chinese bamboo flying toys are simple yet astonishing artifacts that continue to baffle scientists and historians alike. Imagine ancient China, where bamboo, a versatile and abundant material, was not only used for construction and everyday tools but also for creating whimsical flying toys. These toys, fashioned from bamboo strips and feathers, resemble miniature helicopters or propellers. When released, they spin gracefully through the air, demonstrating an understanding of aerodynamics that seems surprisingly advanced for their time. The key mystery lies in how these ancient artisans achieved such aerodynamic precision without the aid of modern technology. Scientists and engineers have scrutinized these toys, attempting to replicate their flight patterns and understand the principles at work. Yet, despite centuries of study, the exact mechanisms that allow these bamboo flying toys to achieve stable and controlled flight remain elusive. One prevailing theory suggests that the design of these toys may have inadvertently tapped into principles of aerodynamics such as lift, drag, and rotation. The lightweight bamboo frame, combined with strategically placed feathers, could have provided enough lift to keep the toys airborne and spinning for extended periods, an impressive feat, given their simplicity. What makes these toys even more remarkable is their cultural significance. In ancient China, they were not merely playthings but were also used during festivals and celebrations, symbolizing joy, creativity, and the ingenuity of the human spirit. They offer a glimpse into the technological prowess and innovative spirit of ancient Chinese civilization, a civilization that, despite lacking our modern scientific knowledge, intuitively grasped fundamental principles of flight. Yet, for all their elegance and historical significance, the exact techniques used to design and manufacture these bamboo flying toys remain shrouded in mystery. Scientists continue to study and experiment, hoping to unlock the secrets behind their flight dynamics and the ancient wisdom that inspired their creation. Greek fire. Greek fire. Imagine a weapon so devastating that its very existence sent armies into retreat and cities into panic. Yet, centuries later, its exact composition and workings remain shrouded in mystery, baffling scientists and historians alike. Greek fire was a fearsome incendiary weapon used by the Byzantine Empire during the medieval period. It was primarily deployed at sea, where it could be sprayed from ships' bows or projected through siphons, igniting upon contact with water or even on the surface of the sea itself. Its ability to burn on water made it a potent naval weapon, capable of turning the tide of battles. Here's where it gets intriguing despite its historical significance. The exact composition of Greek fire has never been fully revealed or replicated. Historical accounts describe it as a viscous liquid that adhered to surfaces and burned fiercely, even in water. It could reportedly be ignited by contact with water, and attempts to extinguish it with water were futile, a phenomenon that baffled contemporary enemies and continues to puzzle scientists today. So why can't scientists explain Greek fire? The primary challenge lies in the lack of surviving recipes or detailed descriptions of its ingredients. The Byzantines guarded the secret of its composition fiercely, and over time, the knowledge of its production was lost. This secrecy has left modern researchers piecing together clues from historical accounts, which often vary and sometimes conflict. Historical records and speculation suggest a mixture involving substances such as naphtha, a flammable liquid, quicklime calcium oxide, sulfur, and possibly other ingredients to enhance adhesion, stability, and ignition properties. The exact proportions and preparation methods, however, remain elusive. Greek fire's legacy extends beyond its military use. It became a symbol of Byzantine technological superiority and instilled fear in enemies for centuries. Its mysterious nature has sparked numerous theories and experiments, yet no definitive answer has emerged regarding its exact composition or production process. Indus Valley seals. The Indus Valley seals are small, intricately carved seals discovered in the ancient cities of the Indus Valley civilization. They have puzzled scientists and historians alike for decades. The ancient Indus Valley civilization, thriving over 4,000 years ago in what is now Pakistan and northwest India, left behind a treasure trove of artifacts that shed light on their advanced urban culture. Among these artifacts, the seals stand out due to their small size, typically about an inch square, and their finely detailed engravings. Each seal is adorned with symbols often depicting animals like bulls, elephants, and mythical creatures alongside intricate geometric patterns and inscriptions. These symbols are meticulously carved using a script known as the Indus script, which, despite decades of study, has yet to be fully deciphered. One of the most perplexing aspects of the seals is the Indus script itself. Unlike other ancient scripts like Egyptian hieroglyphs or Mesopotamian cuneiform, the Indus script remains undeciphered. Researchers have identified over 400 unique symbols in various combinations across thousands of seals and other artifacts, suggesting a sophisticated writing system. Speculation abounds regarding the purpose of these seals. Some theories propose they were used for administrative purposes, marking ownership or indicating trade goods. Others suggest they held ritualistic or religious significance, possibly serving as amulets or talismans in ceremonies. The discovery of these seals in various sites across the Indus Valley civilization's extensive trade network from Mesopotamia to the Arabian Peninsula hints at their role in facilitating trade and cultural exchange. However, the exact mechanics of how they were used in these contexts remain elusive. Beyond their symbolic and scriptural mysteries, the seals also highlight the technological prowess of the ancient Indus Valley civilization. Crafted from materials such as steatite soapstone or terracotta, the seals were meticulously carved using early lapidary techniques, showcasing advanced craftsmanship for their time. These technologies, spanning millennia and continents, remind us of the ingenuity and curiosity of our ancestors. Yet, they also highlight the limits of our current understanding. Despite centuries of study and advancements in science and archaeology, many of these ancient technologies continue to resist full explanation. The questions they pose about construction techniques, astronomical knowledge, and societal advancements inspire ongoing research and spark new theories. They remind us that history is not just a series of events, but a tapestry woven with mysteries waiting to be unraveled.